Hi guys, welcome to our channel. We are on our way to San Antonio right now. Will is driving.
Yes, I am.
He didn't get his hair cut.
No, I didn't.
He was trying to get it done before we left, but he was procrastinating, so now he has to wait till we get there. So he's gonna look rough for a little bit. And we got Titan in the back. He looks super excited, ready to go on this adventure. Yeah.
In your eyes, I have seen all the feeling and the rain. And death is cold, death is sure. Why don't we all fall? In your eyes, I have seen all the feeling and
Alright guys, so we're here at the Natural Cavern Bridge in San Antonio, Texas. Got a little row in the back and got my cousin Solomon. Look at him with the drip. Got Babe here, and we're gonna go check it out. Alright?
death is cold, death is sure. Why don't we all fall in love? Why don't we fall in
Alright, so we're on our way to the Botanical Gardens right now. Just left the Cavern. The Caverns was really nice. Couldn't do too much vlogging because the tour guide didn't want us taking a lot of videos. So we're gonna check this place out and drop some content. So we just made it here to Wonder Chambers in San Antonio, Texas. I'm gonna see what all the hype is about, and looking forward to it. It looked pretty cool on Instagram and whatnot. So yeah.
And death is cold, death death is sure. Why don't we in your eyes, I have seen all the feeling and the rain. And death is cold, death is sure. Why don't we fall in your eyes, I have seen all the feeling and the rain. And death is cold, death is sure. Why don't we fall in
Let's go. So we just made it to the Alamo, downtown San Antonio. Get ready to check it out, see how it is. Yeah, should be a good little adventure. How
It
you
will be
feeling?
fun. It's kind of rainy out,
Yeah.
but we had to go. It's the last day, and we haven't been down here. So
You're awesome. Enjoy being who you are. Live in the now. Embrace that shit.
in your eyes, I have seen all the feeling and death is cold.
So we made it to the riverwalk. It's right behind us. So we're gonna walk around there now and just look around.
I have seen all the feeling and death is cold, death is sure. Why don't we fall in love? Why don't we fall in love? Why don't we fall in love?
So we're about to go up to the Towers of America. Will is really scared. He did not want to do it, but I'm making him do it anyways. Conquer his fears of heights. He'll be fine. We made it up here. He's really brave. So proud of him.
Alright, so we're just outside here at the Tower of America's downtown San Antonio. And as you can see right outside of the tower, it's a really beautiful sight. They got like little waterfalls and whatnot. We're just gonna kind of walk around.
In your eyes, I have seen all the feeling and the rain. Death is cold, death is sure. Why